Okay, possibly not the best day in the world to film this, as it's very hot and about to bucket down, but anyway. It's the first non-standard part, apart from the tyres, to go on in Colorado that will affect performance, that is. K&N sticker, cool, that's on the toolbox. One to go on the air box so people don't throw your filter away. Yeah, smells good. Oh, we'll sit that up there in the plastic bag for now. Now it's hot, so it's probably probably not the best time to do this. But I just got home from work. But anyway, why not? Let's crack on. So, first job you got to do is remove the induction hose or pipe thingamabobby. Okay. Interesting. It's got some splatter or something in there. It smells chemically. Now what do we need? 10mm? What about 10mm? Everything's 10mm. Okay, let's put that up out of the way. So the mass airflow sensor in that. Pull this one out. So she's an AC Delco paper filter. And that in comparison to the K&N. Seems to be the same both ends. So you can see, restriction wise, it's vastly different. Chunk in there. This one's brand new. Put this in. And just put it on the right way. Just gotta hate that. Oh, you gotta hate that. I'll be back in a second. Oh, come on. Didn't have the intake pipe off. Go for a universal this time. Yeah, we should be right. That on there. literally just a tiny bit more. There we go. Job done. Find a suitable place for this. I'll show you where I'm going to stick this. Rubbish in the pocket. There we go. Right guys, I understand the light's not the best here in the shed, but K&N filters installed. At the end of this video I will add on tomorrow when I drive it how much fuel economy it gets, so you will see that shortly if there's any improvement. Since the service I've been averaging 10.4. I haven't touched tyre pressures or anything since the service, also since I did the wheel alignment, wheel balance rotation as well, so I haven't checked tyre pressure or anything like that, but I've been averaging 10.4, so I've put the K&N filter on and I will tell you what the fuel economy, if there is any change or if there is no change. So you'll see that shortly. Hey guys, I've been running for a couple of days. It's been a little bit busy and been very bloody windy, so hasn't been the best for fuel economy, but I'll go on the data I had before basically the wind picked up, so it's unchanged, 10.4 per 100 Ks. Doesn't really feel any different. It does appear to sound slightly different when I drive through town. There's one spot where I drive where I go through some shops and I can put the windows down and hear stuff. It does sound slightly different, but I don't think we'll see any sort of changes really until I put a snorkel on. So back to Dan. Thanks for watching guys. There's going to be plenty of videos coming up soon from the shed here. Going to get some better lights in here to help us do the jobs we've got to do. Obviously got a bull bar fitment, winch fitment, awning, stuff like that. A bit of clean up work and a bit of remedial work that needs to be done around the front end from all the hard times I've given the collie over the last 138,000 Ks now, or whatever it's up to. So keep an eye out for that. those videos will be coming up in the coming month or so. And got a couple of short trips. I did have a big trip planned for the end of this year, but that's sort of been shelved to spend the money on actually fitting out the ute. So we shall be doing a few short trips to test everything out after it's all fitted up. So not going to say when or where those are, because it depends on how well everything goes fitting it up. But anyway, so you'll be seeing a bit more of me, a bit more of the toolbox, and a bit more of the shed. And I've got to finish tidying the shed to get ready to go. But anyway, thanks for watching, and leave some comments below.